Hey friends, happy Spotify Wrapped Day, week, month. This is something that I look forward to every single year. And I was pretty surprised actually by my actual Spotify artists and songs that I listen to. Actually, no, I'm not surprised because I had all of these on repeat this entire year. I will be going through my artists and top songs after this, but this is something that Spotify sent me. I didn't realize that it was gonna be so large, but we're gonna open it, see what it is. I have no idea what it is, but it was very heavy. Let's use this small kitchen knife because that's all that I have right now. I hope that it cuts, and it does. This is massive. Good thing it's almost trash day. Like, what's gonna be in here? The one thing I am upset about though, with my Spotify Wrapped, the new Linkin Park album didn't come out until like a month ago, because if it had come out earlier this year, that would have been the top 100%. That's all I've listened to the last month. They didn't even make it in the top, but they should have. So my top artist was Odessa. Do you think Odessa's in here? Get ready to press play on a journey through time and music. We've created a playlist capsule packed with surprise gifts inspired by the unforgettable top songs from over the years. Here's the fun part. Can you guess the songs? We'll unveil the meaning behind each gift in the final package. I thought this was gonna be like something small. This was way bigger than I thought. It says, do not lift using front door. How does one get you out of here? Do you think Linkin Park's in here? Do you think Creed is in here? Okay, this seems to be a refrigerator. Or is it a safe? I don't know anything. Don't ruin the surprise, open when instructed. Okay, how are you gonna know? How am I gonna know? Uh-oh, that has fallen off.
The bottom is this.
You think?
Yeah, you have it on the side because of how you pulled it out of the box.
Oh no. Okay, well, I'll put this back on. Did I break it? Okay, well, let's see what we can do about that. So during that brief intermission, I realized I have opened it wrong and I may have broke the door off, and I'm very upset about it. But we're gonna continue on and just act like everything's fine. This opens up like this. Oh my gosh, look at this. So I have broke the door off of it. I need something that can hold this up. Is that better? Okay, looks like I need to plug something in. I feel like we need more directions. We're just gonna go with number 1 and see what it is. It was like a little capsule. Time to turn up the volume and channel your inner DJ. Check out what's on the back of the playlist capsule. I'm not really good at puzzles. I don't know what that means. It's turning on! Oh, look how cool! Wow. Okay, that's awesome. So we're gonna go to number 2. This is like an escape room. Oh, we've got little headphones! Those little Marshall headphones too? Okay, love. Now we're gonna go to number 3. Oh, this is a heavy one. This looks like an art project. What is this? I have no idea what's going on right now. I'm so confused. We have a canvas and a paint. So each surprise represents a special moment in music history on Spotify. What does this mean? Let's go to number 4. A little candle? It smells incredible. We got a little wick trimmer for the candle. Something to put the candle out. Top songs over the years. If any of you guys are getting this, please let me know. We're on to number 5. This is heavy too. This is so wild. Tequila? I think you make your own tequila. Look at this. We've got all of these tequila making supplies. Number 6. Plant gem? They're seeds. Oh, this is super cool. My question is, does all of this have to do with a song? Number 6. This seems to be some sort of a power cable. Oh, they're little party lights. It's like a little projector. Oh, no. I know what you were thinking. This is almost over. No, it's not. Number 7. A little notebook. The end of a relationship is the beginning of a new one with yourself. Breakup edition. Stop carrying old feelings into new experiences. Freaking love that quote. Lavender, lush incense. I haven't figured out a single, have you figured out any of these? You know what I haven't figured out a single one. Oh no, I hope they don't ask me a question at the end. Okay, number 8. Okay, we've got some feather boas. All right, so we've made it to the final destination. I have not figured out a single song yet, but here's the problem. How do we unlock this? Okay, so it's a countdown and it will unlock. Is this 3 hours and 49 minutes?
Yes.
I don't think I can wait that long. We got things to do. I actually don't think I can break into it. I mean, I could, but like, that kind of defeats the purpose of the surprise. Okay, so because I have broke it. What's this? Here we go. Drum roll, please. The moment we have been building up to is finally here. 2024 Wrapped has arrived. All those surprises and celebrations of the past. you get your own framed wrap card immortalizing my personal top songs of 2024. This is so cute. This is, okay, my top song, God Needs the Devil. It's such a good song. I had this on repeat for months. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Spotify. This was such a cute and thoughtful and unique gift box. I still haven't quite figured out the songs though. All of the answers are on the back. Number 1 was Major Lazer, Mo, and DJ Snake, Lean On. Number 2 was Drake's One Dance. Number 3, Ed Sheeran's Divide album with the song Shape of You. Number 4, God's Plan by Drake. Number 5, Shawn Mendes, Senorita. Number 6, Blinding Lights, The Weeknd. This is great because they had the color changing lights. Oh my gosh, it all makes sense now. Number 7, Olivia Rodrigo's Driver's License, Heartbreak Anthem. Number 8, Harry Styles, As It Was. And number 9, Miley Cyrus reminded us to buy ourselves flowers. Okay, well, I'm so glad they gave me the answers because I would not have guessed that at all. One last gift. It says, don't ruin the surprise, open when instructed. I think the time is now. DJ control mix for smartphone. This is cute. It's a little DJ controller for your phone or iPad. Do you know who's gonna love this? Mr. DJ Mini Matt. That's my dog, for those of you that don't know. When I got him, I wanted him to be a DJ, and we had bought him like this whole DJ set. It was a whole thing. Never ended up really happening because he didn't really like children. I thought he's not gonna be able to go on tour and meet the people with his attitude, which I guess actually, now that I think about it, that's probably like most artists and DJs probably, maybe he would have been fine. We'll see how he likes it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Spotify, for this incredible gift and for the Spotify wrap. Oh, Benson Boone, man. This was Benson's freaking year. I am so ready. I listened for 23,447 minutes this year. This puts me in the top 16% of listeners worldwide. My biggest listening day was August 19th with 359 minutes. What was August 19th? I don't know. I must have been cleaning that day. I played 1,501 songs, and one was on repeat again and again. God Needs the Devil, Jonah. I streamed it 204 times starting on May 20th. Okay, well, is that a lot? I think that's a lot. Over the summer, I was driving a bunch to San Diego, and so I would literally just play a song on repeat for 2.5 hours while I drove. So you can do the math on that. Here's my top songs. Number 1, God Needs the Devil. Oh my gosh, Good Neighbors, Home, so good. Gravity, that was such a good song. Fortnite, Taylor Swift, Post Malone, obviously a hit. And number 5, Benson Boone, Beautiful Things. Yeah, obviously, great song. You've changed and so has your listening. It's been a year. Let's look at my 2024 music evolution. April. Okay, what was going on in April? Pink Pilates Princess Strut Pop Phase. Taylor Swift, Chaperone, and Tate McRae. Okay, that checks out. June, Van Life Rollerblading Folk Pop. Jonah, Henrik, and Miles Smith. August, oh, okay, August was like the Creed concert, so I already know what's coming up for this one. My breakup, rock out, post-grunge moment. Creed, Three Doors Down, and Hinder. Yeah, because that was the tour. They were touring together. I listened to 747 artists, but one had a special place in my heart. Odessa! Okay, that also makes sense because we saw them this summer and also had them on repeat for months and months. My longest listening streak was 9 days. I'm a top 0.1% fan, and I spent 3,220 minutes listening to Odessa. Who else got a love play this year? I'm not sure. Odessa, Benson Boone, Imagine Dragons, Taylor Swift, and Bronson. Bronson is also like an Odessa side project. Basically, my entire top Spotify was Odessa. Oh, looks like we have company.
Benson Boone, thank you so much for being a day one listener. I cannot tell you
Benson!
what it means to me that you have appreciated my music, and I hope that you continue to appreciate the music I put out this year. But in the meantime, bless your heart, and thank you so much. Happy Wrapped.
I can't believe that he made me this personal message. Benson, really, thank you so much. Oh, that was so fun. I love Spotify. Let me know in the comments below who your top artists and what your top songs were this year. I'd love to hear it.